In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to open Recorder app. Then click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it by choosing the same one. If you wish to listen to it right away, you need to pause it, swipe it, and click on this left button. If you want to add a bookmark, tap on this blue icon. And in order to end it and save it, on the square button at the bottom right corner. Then name it however you wish to. You can also click on category, tap on add category and create any category by naming it and choosing add at the bottom right corner of this pop-up. Now hit save, and as you can see, my recording is over here. If you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to edit it, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner and make your changes. Then tap on save at the top right one and pick the best option for you. I will go with replace original file. Lastly, delete your recording by holding it, choosing this pin icon at the bottom right corner, and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!